We've got 2 Glossybox unboxings for you to make that 2, and we have a special guest.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, my special guest is my granddaughter, Jordan, and she is going to do my unboxing. So what do we have, Jordan?
So we have the March Glossybox, and I'm gonna open it. Ooh. It's a classic pink, pretty glossy box. Looks like that. And what do we have inside of here? Ooh. So it comes with like a really cute thing that says True Beauty is. And then I'm gonna unwrap the ribbon. And it's a little book that talks about True Beauty and tells us what's inside the box.
Speak just a little bit louder.
Okay. Ooh, we have some really pretty pink nail polish. It's called Morgan Taylor. It's professional. And then we have Form Multitask Leave-In Lotion. So I think this is for your hair. The packaging is really pretty. And then we have some Perfect Pencil Cover Fix. So I think it's like a crayon, like an eye crayon, just really awesome. Then we have some Soft Focus matte. I think this is lotion. Soft Focus Pore Perfection HD matte level. Yeah, so I think it's like some foundation you have for your face. And then there is Debris Paris, and it is a lip crayon, and it's like a really cool, like metallic-y gold color, which is awesome. And last but not least, we have this cleansing clay mask. These are awesome because like they help when you have like really oily faces, so I'll probably be using this a lot. And then that's all we have in our March Glossybox. Should I do the second one now?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is our March box. Some really cool stuff. Perfect Pencil Crayon Parfait. What color is this? Did you open it up? Take a look at the color?
Oh no, I didn't.
Yeah, open the color up. Let them see what it looks like.
Okay.
Oh, and a clay mask. I love clay mask.
It's like a really pretty, like light brown color. Actually, it looks like that. Really pretty light brown color. I think it's a little too orange for my skin tone.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it's pretty orange. It's almost invisible on me.
Yeah.
And that's a lip color or an eye color?
Eye color. Perfect Pencil Crayon. I'm not sure what that is.
Oh, you know what? This will tell us.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Oh, it's a concealer.
That's cool. And it comes in like different colors.
Okay, now it's a concealer. Now that is perfect for me. Okay. That's perfect for me as a concealer. You can't see a thing on there. What about you? It's pretty light. Okay, I think that might work for you too, though. That's a concealer. That's the nice thing about these little magazines that come with it, is they tell you what everything is for. And what was this one?
Well, that was a lip crayon, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah, right there, the Bruce. Figs and Rouge. Oh, what's this? Now see, I wasn't watching. Now did you open this one and take a look at it?
No, I didn't.
Okay, you want to show them what it looks like?
Yeah. Ooh. So, I think it's like a really...
And speak a little louder because the microphone's over there.
Okay. It smells like it's like a light rose scent. It smells really good. And it is a Soft Focus Pore Perfection. I'm not sure what you use it for. Oh, you use it to like put on your face to clear like blemishes and things like that.
You can tell by looking at this face that she doesn't need a lot of covering up. Grandma needs covering up.
But it does smell really good. It's like a light rose scent. Then we have this again. And it is a multitask 3-in-1 leave-in lotion. So you can put it in your hair and you leave it in, and it's a spray, so it smells good. And then that's about it. So I guess we'll go to our next box. Hello, we're back again with another April Glossybox. Let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, it's a nice, cute light pink box, like always. Ooh, and this says beautifully fit. And the last one said true beauty is blank. So this is cool. And we're gonna just untie it here. And a little magazine that tells you what's inside. Then we've got another one that says, look good, feel great. Ooh, so we've got the ritual of Dale bringing peace and tranquility into your life. Ooh, it's foaming shower gel. That's awesome.
Smell it.
Oops.
Put a little bit on, yeah.
Oh, there it is. It smells really nice. Almost like a shaving cream, but like it's a good smell. Thank you. And it does foam up, as you can see. Okay, this is really nice and it smells awesome. And we've got some I Love Eye Contour. It's antioxidant, anti-dark circle, and puffiness. That's cool. I'm gonna smell it. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's really for like when you have puffy eyes, you can put that under there and that will help a lot.
I frequently have puffy eyes.
And on the back it says break rules, so that's pretty cool. And then we have some spray and it's advanced climate control. It restores and revive. So I'm pretty sure it helps when you have like frizzes, and it says for all curl types, which is good. And it probably helps for like when you have frizzes and things like that in your hair. And it smells, it doesn't really smell like anything, but the packaging is really pretty. And then we have some Epiclair clarifying oil free cleansing towelettes. So it's probably to help remove makeup and also just a quick way to wash your face. And last but not least, we have our Cara Lagerfeld Baked Blush. Ooh, let's open that and see what that looks like.
Oh, Karl Lagerfeld.
Karl.
Yeah, Karl Lagerfeld. I like baked blushes.
The Baked Blush. Ooh, that's a really pretty color.
Hold it up, like that.
Oh, that's a really pretty color. It's like a, it looks like a highlighter actually. It's like a rose gold.
Put it on your back of your hand.
Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a little shimmer there. That's cool.
Oh, it does have a really nice shimmer.
Yeah. That's pretty. I like
Yeah,
that.
it's more like a highlight, I think, for us. I really like that.
It looks like a highlighter.
And then what's the color of it?
It says
Rose beige. Well,
so rose gold.
Rose beige. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you know, rose is all the rage right now.
Yeah, pretty much. We also have, well, it's beautifully fit, and it has like a lot of cool like little recipes and tips for being fit. And they have some really awesome smoothie recipes, and my grandma loves making smoothies, so this will be fun. They have healthy pancake recipes too, and healthy chicken burger. Oh, they have all kinds of recipes in here.
Cool.
Awesome. We have another Glossybox from February, and it's really cute. It's like a love letter themed almost, and it has like this on the back, and I love it a lot. Let's see what's inside.
I love the little box. I like the little love letter at.
We got a cute little postcard, and like you can actually use it because it is blank on the back. That's cute. And it says "Sent with love" at the bottom. And we have the regular booklet that comes with it that tells you what's inside, and it says "Sealed with a kiss" because this is from February. And ooh. Inside we have a mud sheet and charcoal mask. It's really awesome.
Oh, you love charcoal.
I love
masks.
these. I love masks. I love any type of thing for your face. So this is pretty awesome. And we have, ooh, this is a really pretty eyeshadow brush. Brands.
Oh, I needed another eyeshadow.
And it's Basanti from that brand. Really awesome eyeshadow brush. And we've got some Winterberry lip crayon. It's a really, really like dark red, almost, like that. Yeah, it's a darker red, so I probably won't be using it. But this might be a good color on you, Grams.
Yes.
Ooh, this is a sugar lip scrub.
Oh, you love lip scrubs.
Yes. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like strawberries, really. That's good.
Put a little on your hand.
Feels nice, gentle. And then we have, oh, thank you. And then we have John Masters Organics Geranium and Grapefruit Body Milk. So I'm pretty sure this is like a lotion. And it's cool because it's organic. And, ooh. It smells like almost like grapefruit. Oh, it smells just like grapefruits actually. It's a really nice, refreshing smell. Then we've got John Masters again, but it's grapefruit body wash. So these two are a set and they go together. They're both grapefruit. This is the lotion and body wash. So that's very awesome.
Oh, I like combination pairs like that.
Yeah, it's cool. Nice to have those. And those are the last two items. So thanks for watching.
So thank you for joining us for VEDA Day 6. Now our question for the day is this. Which one of these fabulous items did you like the best? Me, I'm thinking I'm liking this Duce lip crayon and the body wash and the lotion combination. What was your favorite, Jordan?
I probably like the charcoal mask or the body wash and lotion combination.
She loves masks. She just loves masks.
Yeah.
But what was your favorite? Tell us in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan and
Jordan Green
saying goodbye. We'll see you in another video.
Bye. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe and comment down below. Bye.